Hey guys, I'm Daikon Dave with Food Literacy Center, and today we are going over knife skills. What you'll need today is obviously a knife, and we got these knives on Amazon. They're between $3 and $5 each if you want your kid to be safe. They're definitely less lethal than one of these. So today we are going to use the two methods. One is called the claw. Can I see everyone do a claw? Claw? All right, we use the claw to keep your fingers away from the knife blade to avoid losing a finger, right? We don't want to lose a finger. So once again, your claw. We use the claw to cut our food. We are going to tuck our claw to hold our food. And the idea is that you run the knife along your finger. Keep your fingers away from the knife. Tuck them in. And we're gonna cut like that. Right. Hold, cut, hold, cut. So that's the claw. Now the other one we're gonna use is called the tunnel. Can I see everyone do a tunnel? The tunnel. The tunnel, the idea is your knife, you're gonna hold your food with the tunnel and keep your knife away from your fingers because we don't wanna lose a finger, right? So we're gonna do something like that with maybe an apple to cut it in half. So here we go, we got our tunnel and our apple, and we're gonna run it down like that. Ready? Tunnel. Once again, the tunnel. And it's always important to keep the flat side of your food down on the cutting board so it doesn't roll around, right? It's kind of hard to cut something that's flowing around your cutting board rather than keeping the flat part down on the cutting board. And we're gonna use the tunnel again. Cut your apple in half. Claw. Run the blade along your finger. Claw, 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 claw. And as you practice this, you'll get better and better at it. But the idea is that you don't get injured while you're cooking, right?
How do you cut that, Dave?
You could also use, yes, to cut the tunnel and claw to cut all kinds of different vegetables. So we have kale. Kale. I know you guys are gonna kale this once you get it going, right? So what we're gonna do is take some of the stem off. What you're gonna do is use your claw and cut what's called tiny ribbons. So we're gonna use tiny ribbons. Claw, once again. You could use that to cut your kale into little pieces, keeping your fingers away from the knife blade. You could also use the tunnel to cut it in half. Gotcha. All right. So that's leafy greens, leafy greens. Nice tasty beverage. What are we gonna do now? Have you guys ever seen, you know cauliflower comes in purple? Do you know what other colors cauliflower comes in? You want to take a guess? Well, I will tell you. So, cauliflower comes not only, well obviously white is the common cauliflower. We have purple. Also comes in green and yellow. Super food adventurers will try different colors of cauliflower, but I'm going to show you how to break this down right now. So we're going to take off the outside leaves. We'll just get in your way. And probably use the tunnel, holding your food, and cut it in half, right, like that. Now, what do you think we're gonna use now? The tunnel or the claw? Tunnel, claw, tunnel, claw, tunnel. Let's use the claw. Break down some of this cauliflower like this. And that's how we break up cauliflower. It's also fun just to break apart with your fingers. Some of the things we don't even need a knife for. So we will just break it down with our fingers in tiny little pieces, and we can eat that. All right. What else do we have now? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try eating it. So I'm gonna be a food adventurer and try pink cauliflower. So the next thing we're gonna try, I'll then wash it down with a beverage. Okay. So let's say celery. Can you say celery? Celery, right, all right. So what do you think we're gonna use for our celery? Claw? Tunnel? I guess it depends on how you want to cut it, right? Say you want to split it in half. You're gonna use probably your tunnel, right? And split that in half. After that, probably use the claw. And like I said, as you practice this, you'll get better at it. But we want you guys to be safe when you're making recipes with us at home. We know you guys are at home and not at school, and we're super glad that you guys are joining us here at foodliteracycenter.org. And you just hit the curriculum button, and we're going to be loading lessons to share with you guys. Fabulous recipes. And we miss you guys out at our school programs, our food adventurers, and we hope to see you on Cyberland, dude, right here at foodliteracy.org. Thank you.